Alright, so here's the rattle. That bounces around as you go down the road, which is like the lever for the glove box door. And the reason it rattles is because that little spring, the little plastic piece that it bears against, is broken, so it doesn't hold any tension against the lever. So that's what we need to fix. Alright, so now that this thing's out, you can see that bottom pawl of that spring. I don't know if you can see this, but there used to be a little piece of plastic in there. It's kind of like a white stripe in there. That used to hold that thing up so it would hold tension against this door, but it's gone. So that's what we need to fix. Find a little piece of metal or something to screw in there to hold that spring open. Alright, so here's what I did. Made a little piece of aluminum, screwed it onto that thing. So now, see the spring bears against that, and it's nice and tight. It springs back, so it won't bounce around and rattle and annoy the shit out of Greg as we're driving to events. Awesome.